I wasn't planning to show this to anyone. In fact, this was never supposed to leave my screen. But if you're watching this right now, it means one thing: you're early enough. And that matters more than anything else. Because what you're about to see isn't another idea, method, or side hustle. It's a simple way to turn one action inside an app into daily payments. Payments like $184.56, $211.43, $297.18. Not once, not randomly, but consistently. And before you assume this is another sounds good promise, let me say this clearly. This works even if you failed at everything else, even if you don't know what you're doing, even if you don't consider yourself good at making money online. Why? Because this doesn't reward skill, it rewards timing. And right now, the timing is perfect. See, something big just shifted. Most people still think of Gemini 3 as a tool for writing, chatting, or asking questions. That's surface-level use. What almost nobody realizes yet is how powerful Gemini 3 becomes when it's directed, not asked. When it's told exactly what to do in a way it was never meant to be used publicly. That's where this opportunity comes from. I'm not talking about building a business. I'm not talking about setting up funnels, ads, or content. I'm not talking about learning anything new. I'm talking about copying one prompt, pasting it inside Pivot AI, and letting Gemini 3 execute quietly in the background. Once it's active, it keeps doing what it does, and the money starts showing up without you touching anything. No daily work, no maintenance, no check back later steps. That's why people are shocked when they see the first payout, because it doesn't feel earned the way they're used to. It feels triggered. And once that happens, everything changes. I saw this firsthand when I stopped explaining it and just handed it to a small group of regular people. No training, no calls, no walkthroughs, just one instruction. Within 24 hours, every single one of them reported money coming in. Not screenshots, not potential, actual profit. Some saw a little over $300 on day one. Some saw more. But the important part wasn't the number. It was the fact that the same result kept firing again and again. That's when it became obvious this wasn't luck. Luck doesn't repeat itself across dozens of people. This works because Gemini 3 is still in a phase most people don't understand yet. Google is pouring billions into it, expanding its execution capabilities, letting it act faster, cleaner, and more directly than anything else available to the public. And right now, it still responds fully to structured commands. Later versions won't. This is how every major shift works. Early access is open, capabilities are raw, restrictions come later. The people who benefit are the ones who move before things tighten up. That's why it feels easy. That's why it feels almost unfair. And that's exactly why it won't last forever. Now here's the best part. You don't need experience, you don't need confidence, you don't need to get it. If you can open the app, copy a prompt, paste it, and press run, you qualify. That's it. No settings to mess with, no decisions to make, no learning curve. Once the prompt is active, the app handles everything. You just check back and see numbers where there weren't any before. And if you're thinking this sounds too simple, good. That's the same reaction everyone has before it works. So here's what I'm offering you right now. Instant access to the app, the exact Gemini 3 prompt, and the same setup that's already producing daily payouts. No waiting, no approvals, no delays. And to remove every ounce of risk, you're protected by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Use it, test it, run the prompt. If you don't see exactly what I've described here, or you simply decide it's not for you, you get every penny back. No questions, no hoops, no nonsense. So at this point, you have two choices. You can scroll away and forget you ever saw this, or you can take advantage of a window that's open right now. Click below, get inside, paste the prompt, and let Gemini 3 do what it does best while you collect.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got